Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. As Asian equity markets are under pressure. Nothing significant, but it is under pressure. So a slight risk-off mood. Dollar index is trading marginally higher. जिसके कारण USDINR में open around 81, 95, 96 जो trade कर रहा है spot reference में offshore में. This week is going to be interesting. Not for USDINR, it's going to be interesting for the GBPINR. Now, GBPINR, before we come to USDINR, let's talk about the GBPINR. Because GBPINR options on NSE is catching a lot of interest. Volumes and open interest are near record. So, keep an eye on the options market, and it's a fantastic instrument to trade GBPINR as long as you keep your पोजिशन साइज इज स्मॉल क्योंकि पोजिशन साइज लार्ज होने से क्या होता है कि इम्पैक्ट कॉस्ट कैन इंक्रीज बिकॉज दिस मार्केट इज बिकमिंग लिक्विड इट्स नॉट एज लिक्विड और एनीवेयर एज लिक्विड USDINR ऑप्शंस मार्केट की तरह सो कीप दैट इन माइंड बट इट इज कैचिंग लिक्विडिटी सो कीप इट ऑन योर रेडार एंड GBPINR इसलिए इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि वहां पे एक थीमेटिक प्ले अंडरवे है व्हाट इज द थीमेटिक प्ले द थीमेटिक प्ले ये है कि यूके इकोनॉमी इज होल्डिंग अप स्ट्रांग but the wage data जो है जो wage inflation बोला जाता है that continues to be strong और last week का जो data था wage growth का that is much higher than the market was anticipating और ये हफ्ता we have the UK CPI जो जिसके ऊपर काफी ज्यादा नजर रहेगा मार्केट का क्योंकि बैंक ऑफ इंग्लैंड का मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी मीटिंग है ये हफ्ता and the Bank of England is expected to hike rates and sound hawkish. Now, that's something which we have to see. In the past, we have not seen BOE sound hawkish after every hike. But abhi dekhna hai whether BOE sounds hawkish or not, because inflation continues to be much higher than its peers. US में जहाँ पे inflation has come down to 4%, the CPI inflation, वहाँ पे Eurozone में it is back down to 6%. But UK में it continues to hold very close to now 9% and it is expected to fall 8.4 8.2 के आसपास but still well above 8%. So इसके लिए इतना high inflation की वजह से वहां पे the Bank of England is expected to keep on raising rates. Anticipating that we have seen a surge in the UK yields. तो जो surge हुआ है UK bond yields में उसके कारण we have seen rally in the GBPINR. GBP dollar, GBPINR and GBP outperforming even or GBPINR outperforming the Euro INR as well. So इसके लिए keep an eye on trend on GBPINR. The outlook remains bullish. 103 से 103.20 is a major support zone on the GBPINR और जब तक 102 या 102.50 के ऊपर है तब तक the bullish momentum is intact. Upper levels में 105 and 105.50 could be the resistance zone and then we get close to 106.30 level. So the trajectory is clear, it is upward but with proper stops. The best part is using options की उसमें आपको अगर ये large gaps हुआ gap downs या gap ups you can be much safer with a call option spread than with an open futures. So keep an eye on the GBPINR options market. That's an interesting play that is developing. USDINR में 8160 और 8180 के बीच this pair has found support quite a few times from March of this year. Since March, 8160, 8180 has held out quite well. So that is a formidable zone of support. इसके लिए यहाँ पे short करना is not advisable. Therefore, it's an area where you can look for a buying opportunity. और ये हो सकता है कि वहाँ पे अगर dollar index weak रहा globally, which is the case, तो dollar rupee may slip into a range क्योंकि downside में इतना बड़ा support levels and we might see the RBI stepping in to accumulate dollars. So जिससे कारण the USDINR may slip into a narrow range between let's say 8160 and 8230 and that range may narrow over a period of time. और उसमें straddle sellers and strangle sellers can benefit. So 8160 is a critical 8160 or 8180 के बीच there are a number of support levels. अगर 8160 break होता है and the dollar rupee is sliding below that, then it could be a sign of a breakdown. But as of now, 8160, 8180 is a major support level. 8230, 8250 are the major resistance levels. So straddle sellers, strangle sellers can continue to focus on the short strategies, but with adequate stop losses. Very, very important. And smaller position size. That is important. The overall option premiums are still low. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing here. Have a fantastic day ahead.